Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. It's indeed a great pleasure for me to attend this program, which focuses a very important theme called Emerging Trends of Management. Management is an application, not a study. The role of management is inevitable in any organization at any time. The study and learning of management is relevant all times because management really focusing on problem solving and decision making. These two things are relevant in all organization at every moment. At the same time, whether we follow the same functions or principles of management we learned from the books or theories is the matter of question. So many people asking in this period of AI, robotics, what is the relevance of universal functions of management or Fayol's principles of management. It is true, I have no disagreement, because when you look the history of management from Paleolithic age to the postmodern era, we could see that management is relevant all times, but there were so many changes happen in the concepts, philosophy and functions of management. Because for example, the role of management was there in each stage of human civilization. After the involvement of money as an important medium for exchange. Adam Smith, for example, the father of economics, in his beautiful theory, Wealth of Nation, paved the way of capitalist economy where money is the strong factors of production. The role of management at that time was to command and control to laborers for increasing the production. So the brutal exploitation of laborers through severe punishment and what I can say exploitation and atrocities created a particular group called management. Their role is limited to control and commanding of employees. In the second step, when you look the changes in the functions and principles of management, you could see, for example, the classical approach, classical school of thought by Frederick Winslow Taylor and Henry Fayol, etc., did a very tremendous change in the functions and principles of management, because they focused mainly from the commanding and control to actually they focus on how to improve the efficiency and the effectiveness of employees. The contribution of Marx also very important, because Marx in his study clearly mentioned the laborers are the most precious factors than the capital and any other factors of production. Followed by these scientific thoughts, behaviorist approach. You look the approaches of Abraham Maslow, Dale Carnegie, for example, David McClelland, etc., also gave a humanitarian approach to the entire functions, principles of management. Then it turned to the postmodern approach called total quality management, where total quality management, unlike the other system, it mainly focused on the system and the process, because process orientation is one of the important factors in the efficiency of every organization. So automatically management turned into a new dimension, that the functions and principles again turned into a new dimension, that vision, mission, performance appraisal, performance management, etc. came. So automatically the functions again change. So what I am telling is, the functions, principles and approaches of management is there always, but based on the changes happen in the society, some changes came in the outlook of the concept of management. Now we are turning the management at a crossroads, because the human power is the mechanic power is dominated by the human power. The influence of artificial intelligence or robotics, etc. In this fourth industrial revolution period, where mechanic power completely changed the human power, what is the relevance of management? So many questions asked. What I can tell you that earlier management focused on three important areas called production, distribution, design, production and distribution. But sometimes the management focus more concentrate on now the design area, because other areas already machines will get the domination. It is true. So human beings can never enter into a dominative position in the distribution and production. At the same time, in the design area, the role of management is there. So what I can tell you that the role of management is always there in every moment, even in this post-modern moment where the robots get control. But human brain is needed for design. So in that area, when we concentrate more, when we work more, the role of management is there. Okay, thank you very much for your invitation to me, and I think my concept is clear in this limited period. Okay, thank you very much.